Capture life's moments with precision and style, from entry-level essentials to professional powerhouses. This intro is short, snappy, and straight to the point. We're focusing on the best DSLR cameras, and it sets the tone for a video that's all about showcasing the best DSLR cameras. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel SL2 DSLR camera. The Canon Rebel SL2 camera is a high-quality DSLR camera that offers a range of convenient features. With its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, you can capture stunning photos with sharp details and vibrant colors. The fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with phase detection ensures quick and precise autofocus, making it easy to capture fast-moving subjects. The camera also features a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, allowing you to easily frame your shots from different angles. With built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth technology, you can easily transfer your photos to your smartphone or tablet for quick sharing. Additionally, you can use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software to turn your camera into a high-quality webcam for video calls and streaming. The Canon Rebel SL2 camera is a versatile and user-friendly option for both beginners and advanced photographers. Number 4. Canon EOS R5 Rebel T100 DSLR camera with 18. The Canon EOS R5 Rebel T100 DSLR camera is a versatile camera that allows you to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. With its 18.0 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor, you can enjoy high-quality images even in low-light conditions. The camera features a 9-point autofocus system, allowing you to capture your subjects with precision and accuracy. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, enabling you to share your photos and videos instantly with your compatible smartphone. The included Platinum Mobile Accessory Bundle provides everything you need to get started, including a SanDisk 64GB memory card, tripod, case, and more. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, the Canon DSLR camera is perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers. Number 3. Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR camera. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR camera features a 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, 45-point all-cross-type AF system optical viewfinder, and dual-pixel CMOS AF with phase detection and Full HD 60p. It also comes with Digic 7 image processor, GPS, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth, low energy, and a 3.0-inch LCD touchscreen that can be varied. This camera is compatible with Canon EF lenses, excluding EFS and EFM lenses, and uses a standard power supply of battery pack, LPE6 and LPE6.
Note 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. The Canon T7 DSLR camera is a high-quality camera that features an improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection, AF 24.1 megapixel, CMOS sensor with a range of 1006 for 00 H 12800. With built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, you can easily share your photos and videos. The 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF ensure your subject is always in focus. Additionally, the optical viewfinder with approx. 95% viewing coverage allows you to see the scene clearly. The Canon T7 DSLR camera is also equipped with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software Mac and Windows that turns your compatible Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. Its video capture resolution is FHD 1080p, making it perfect for recording high-quality videos of your adventures.
Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera with FS 1855mm. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera is a perfect companion for first-time SLR users, aspiring photo enthusiasts, and those who want to capture amazing family moments. It is the smallest and lightest EOS DSLR camera and features 4000 recording capability, Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF, a vari-angle LCD for selfies and fun angles, with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, Digic 8 image processor, and 4,000 time-lapse movies. The EOS Rebel SL3 makes it simple to get great photos and videos to view and share. Additionally, it has a fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF. 3.0-inch touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, and an optical viewfinder with a 9-point AF system.